The challenge for black here is to save these 7 stones by capturing some of white's stones. And the key to this problem is sequence. We can see that there are 2 throw-ins and a cutting point. And these are all the weaknesses that we have against white. So if black tries this throw-in first, then white must capture. Right? So this is perfectly fine. But if black now occupies liberties from behind like this, white can connect, black ataris, white connects. Now this cutting point does not work because white can atari, black extends, white can play this, and now these 2 stones will be dead, and black will not be able to capture white. So it seems not right. Something's off. So let's go back. What if black cuts first? Right? White can only play this. And now, what black can do is to have 2 throw-ins. One's here, and one's here. And now, it actually makes a difference. Because if black extends now, white has an extra stone down here. And black will be able to win like this. This will be great for black. And of course, this will not be a ko. Right? This is not a ko because black can capture from behind like this. Black does not have to go through the ko. So black can guarantee its success by playing the cut first and playing the throw-ins later. So that's what's really neat about this pattern, because by playing this extra throw-in, this 5 and 6 exchange, black has made white play an extra move here on the side, and thus reducing white's own liberties by 1. And that 1 liberty difference is all black needs to succeed. And of course, black cannot try this first, right? Now if black cuts here, white can capture this way, right? So this is why sequence is so important in a game of Go. This type of pattern does come up in games, so please make sure you understand everything about this pattern, about the sequence. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and I'm happy to answer them. Good luck, and thank you for watching.